Hi, welcome to PowerQuery QuickBytes. In today's video, we will see another usage of PowerQuery to quickly transform data into required format. In this example, we have to transform the data on the left-hand side to the table on the right-hand side. As you can see on the left, column A contains the attribute and column B contains the value of the attribute. Every 4 lines of data is one record. This specific scenario is a very common problem when your only source of data is from an extract such as CSV from some other system, particularly older system where you can't change the format of the data extract. Let's do this. Load the data into the PowerQuery. Go to Data, From Table or Range. This will load the PowerQuery window. In this PowerQuery window, go to Add Column and click Index Column. It will add a new numeric column. Now our next step will help in grouping each set of records. For this, I'll go to Transform, click Standard, and then Integer Divide. Since each group contains 4 rows, I will enter 4 in the value. Now each set of record will have unique values assigned to it. For our final step, select column 1 and go to Transform and click Pivot Column. In the Pivot Column dialog box, select the values column to be column 2. And then select Advanced Options and set to Don't Aggregate. This will transform the table to desired state. As the index column is not required anymore, I'll delete it. Close and load, and we're done. You can save this file, and next time, all you need to do is paste the data and refresh the query table. It will perform all the actions and give you the required results. Hope you will find this useful. Let me know in comments. Please refer to the description for downloading a sample file and visit vivran.in for more such videos. Have a nice day.